Hello everyone, welcome to Taste Buds, and the recipe for today is baby corn Manchurian, which is an Indo-Chinese recipe, a hybrid of Indian and Chinese cuisine. So let's get cooking. It's a three-step process. Step 1, boiling the baby corn. So I've boiled water here. I'm gonna add the baby corns that I've cut into pieces like this. So let's add it and just boil it for a couple of minutes, not more than 2 to 3 minutes. Probably we can call it blanching as well. So do not overcook it. As you can see, the water has come to a boil. Now is the time to remove the baby corn. Just strain it. Keep it aside. This is the step 1 of the recipe. Step 2 is frying. For that we'll add some ingredients. 1 to 2 tablespoons of Maida, 1 to 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a little bit of ginger garlic paste, probably 1 teaspoon. And we'll also add crushed pepper powder, about 1 teaspoon. And let's mix it well so it gets a coating. Step 2 is frying, as I said, so let's get it deep fried. So we'll have to fry until the baby corn gets golden brown in color. Most of the Chinese recipes that we make, Indo-Chinese recipe especially, involves deep frying the main ingredient. So this is step 2, as I said. As you can see, the baby corn is slowly turning into brown color. Okay, it's done and ready, so we'll just strain it. It's a pretty simple dish that you can try at home, and it's also very tasty. And it'll turn out exactly like how they make in the restaurants. So for the third step, we have a few vegetables cut. So making the Manchurian, I've heated oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use the oil that you use for frying. In this I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of garlic. For this recipe we need a lot of garlic, so be generous on adding garlic. And then we'll add green chilies as well. If you want to keep the spice down, just 1 or 2 green chilies should be fine, because we are also adding the chilli sauce. Now we'll add the spring onion whites. Today I've also added a couple of shallots, the small onion, 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of chilli sauce. Let's add that in and give it a good mix. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder here as well. So the idea is to get a good sauce. So let's add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and mix it well. Stir it for 1 or 2 minutes. So we want this sauce to stick well to the baby corn. So what we are going to do is we are going to add corn slurry. So to prepare the corn slurry, you just have to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour in half a cup of water and just mix it well and add it. So this gives a creamy texture, and also the sauce sticks well to the recipe. So let's add salt as desired. The sauce is done and ready. As you can see, it's really yummy. Now is the time to add the corn that we have fried and kept. So after adding corn, just 2-3 minutes of stirring is fine. Keep it in high flame because Chinese recipes are always on high flame. It's fast cooking. Coat it really well with the sauce and we are done with it. For the finishing touch, we'll add the spring onion greens. Stir it for a few seconds and put off the flame, and the recipe is ready. Though it's a 3-step process, you would have seen that it's pretty simple and easy to try at home. Do try it and taste it. Let us know how it goes, and do share and subscribe to Taste Buds. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye bye.